MLA ka Congress na Gambe Gray bat ka Working President MPCC ka Deborah Marak ka badai ka MLA barim na William Nagar kidai ki arngot ki balapaw kamat na ka party ban longkum ulane ka kertong banya Aireng haka election MP Lok Sabha na Tura seat. President ke Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee uba Vincent H. Palau loong baka party kampat syam ya karai waladan syuk dolor kita ki arngot ki bala terwa ya laki kerteng banyak khonnya ke election MP. Uloong baka party kan syong jingya lang haka pratrik ukula lingkot arja arpusau Tura mat khat atrik pat haslong. Uloong baka party shen kan sa court application mat ki eki baro kin sa shailut haswa ban kot ubenai kala lingkot arja arpusau.
That's too early because decision where to fill from which area, from which state will be taken by the High Command. That means there should be a meeting between the Congress and its allies. So it's too early to say for Meghalaya. But normally whenever they take a decision, they consulted all the state presidents and the state CLP leaders. So this time they have not yet called us, we have not even started process. So, but preliminary discussions, they said that in Meghalaya, the Congress will contest both the seats. But the final decision will be taken by them. Yeah, definitely. Somebody proposed the name of Madame Deborah. Some of our leaders also proposed the name of Saleng. Some of them even proposed some other names which they are common officials, but they are yet to retire very soon. I don't want to name them. So 4 names has come to me. This is a proposal given to me by our office bearers, workers, and the different individual levels. So, but the decision we will take when we go to Kyrwoh, when we call for applications. Maybe those names may not even be applied. So I don't know. But as of now, yes, definitely they will be interested. That is a proposal given by some of our senior leaders. Somebody says that Deborah has contested last time. She lost only by a small margin, and she's loyal to party. At the same time, she's a working president of the party. She should contest. That is some leaders say. It's not that Deborah. And somebody said no. Saleng is an MLA. He is a face now after Mukul is not there, so he should contest. So I don't know that that's the views of leaders from Kyrwoh. But we have not taken a decision. I think the decision will be taken very soon. I think by once the Delhi High Command told us to take a decision, and when we start calling applications, then definitely we'll take a decision and we'll approach them also who is willing to fight. I have not asked them because after going to Kyrwoh only, then I'll be